guys, so this is a video of this air conditioner. It's at a hotel room in a hotel I'm staying at on my vacation. Yeah, it is made by Trane. Yeah, there it is. I mean, I really don't know much about air conditioners, but I'll do this for you guys who are kind of into this stuff. I'm not into air conditioners, but I'm not gonna do it on different speeds and temperatures and stuff because it's supposed to be how it's set. You could do high, low, or automatic. Yes, it's fan speed, and then you set the temperature. It's on 67, and then you could set it for heat, cool, and off. Yeah, it's pretty simple. So, yeah. Let's see if I don't think there's any other info on it about when it's from. I don't know. I don't think there's anything under there. But yeah, guys. So this is this Trane air conditioner. So thanks for watching, and yeah, bye.